Hari Om, my dear students. I am present here after a week for the topic connective tissue in the classes of biology for class 9. As we were studying connective tissue, in this topic we have to study about skeletal tissue. What is skeletal tissue? We know that our body has a skeleton. This skeleton gives a proper shape of our body. Due to this skeleton, we can move our body from certain points, certain joints. The tissue that makes the skeleton of the body is called skeletal tissue. There are two types of skeletal tissues. One thing that you should know, that this skeleton supports our body, so it is also called supporting connective tissue. The major part of this skeletal tissue is made up of bones, and so at first we shall study about the bone. Bones are the hardest animal tissue. These are rigid, these are strong, these are composed of special cells well known as osteocytes, which develop from osteoblasts, and matrix, which is rich in calcium compound, calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. The matrix is made up of nearly 65 to 70% of inorganic materials and 30 to 35% of organic materials. The inorganic materials are the compounds of calcium, that is calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate, sodium chloride, magnesium phosphate. On the other hand, the organic compound is mainly protein, special protein, that is called osine. This matrix, which is made up of mostly calcium and calcium compounds, make the cell solid and compact. So this makes bone rigid, hard and strong. The matrix is arranged in the form of concentric rings, which is called lamellae. What are the functions of bones? As we have mentioned earlier, this provides a shape to our body. This help in movement. Yes, The movement of our body depends on muscles, nerve cells, but if I move my hand, it happens so because there are two bones and they are joined together at a movable joint with the help of tendons, ligaments, muscles, and movement takes place under the influence of nerves. In case of human being and all mammals, the bone, which is a tubular structure, is filled with a soft tissue, areolar tissue, that is called bone marrow. In this bone marrow, red blood cells and other blood cells are formed. So, bones are very important connective tissue in our body. Later, we shall study about cartilage in next period. Thank you. Have a nice day.